Summer, what a great time to get outside and have some fun in the sun.
But you know what's no fun at all? Giant electric bills. Whenever you dial down that thermostat, you are dialing up your expense. So how can you keep your cool for less? Let's count the ways.
Make sure your AC equipment is up to snuff. Keep it serviced. Change the filters monthly. You can replace filters in less than a minute. Use a programmable thermostat to let temperatures rise while you're at work, but by no more than 4 degrees. Otherwise, you might use more energy cooling the house back down than you save. Check your ducts lately? Get in the attic and make sure joints aren't leaking. If they are, seal them with metal tape. And while you're up there, add some insulation. EnergyStar.gov will tell you how. Since much of the heat that enters your home does it through windows, use solar screens on those that get the most light. There are videos online that will show you how to do it yourself for as little as $10. Got fans? If you buy ceiling fans, try to get ones that are ENERGY STAR rated. They could use up to 50% less energy.
And remember, fans don't do a thing if you're not in the room. You leave the room, you turn off the lights, you turn off the fan.
These 7 tips are all I have time for, but they're not all I have. I've got 14 more you need to see. Go to MoneyTalksNews.com and do a search for lower cooling cost. For Money Talks News, I'm Stacy Johnson. Want to save more and spend less? Get the free Money Talks newsletter. It only takes 7 seconds to sign up, and it's full of deals and news you'll really use. Do it now at MoneyTalksNews.com.